Alright, it's been a long time since I made a video, but I've never done this before. I'm working on cleaning out my wood stove. Honestly, it's been too long. It's been 2 years. I need to get my ceiling fixed. It's been 2 years since I've had this wood stove. I'm working on cleaning it out, cleaning the chimney. I've looked down it before, gone up top, actually pulled a piece of the chimney off and looked down it. It was actually pretty clean, so I wasn't too concerned about doing it, but I figured, I might as well. So I bought one of these brushes. When I'm done, I'll show it to you, but looks like weed whipper string on the end of it. It's like tent stakes, tent poles, kind of the real flexible. I got, from the top of my wood stove to the top of the pipe, I got about 15 foot. I got 21 foot worth of poles, so. But it's actually a lot easier. I mean, the hardest part of this whole thing, I'll show excuse me. Hardest part of this whole thing, dog, get out of my face, go, was getting the baffles up out of here, where the reburner pipes are. But once I figured out how to get them out, it wasn't too bad. But I mean, it's basically just put this thing on, I put it up, go up and down a couple times, run it. Yeah, so let me, I actually need another piece of steak. So they got, like, one end has a hole in it. The other end just has a little ball on it. It's really not that hard. I don't know if I'm going to be able to videotape this at the same time. But basically, this just goes in here. You push that in. Look, I can do it one hand. Slide it in, lock it in. There's a drill attachment. Goes in the drill. I just pop it out of the thing, put the next one in, keep going. I'll set you down for 2 seconds and show you how. I mean, it's pretty easy. And I thought it'd be a lot dustier. Maybe it's because I got a newer wood stove and it doesn't have that problem that it's one of them 2020 EPA wood stoves. I got my ash back here just to turn it on, suck out whatever dust. There's not a whole lot of dust comes out. It's just like that black soot comes out. Now my pipe goes up from the wood stove about 2.5 foot 45s over to the chimney box and then up through the roof with I got triple wall chimney on mine. Now these say I could run double wall. Double wall was rated, I want to say it was for like, basically if you have a chimney fire, it's like 1100 degrees continuous for like, there's a time frame on it, like 8 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. And then the triple wall, which was, it was quite a bit more expensive. If I had done double wall chimney pipe from the ceiling up, it was like, I don't know, like $45 for a 3-foot section or something like that. The triple wall was like 110 or 115 bucks for a 3-foot section. And this was 2021, I think it was. Yeah, it must have been. I can't. But I mean, honestly, it was at least double the cost. But the difference between 150 and 300 bucks, it's not worth my house, I can tell you that. So I didn't. I'm like, nope, we'll just do triple wall. It'll be fine. Like, I'll just spend the money. It'll be all right. But I'll show you how this works. I couldn't find any real videos on how to take apart these burner tubes to get this baffle out. So when I'm done, I'll put it back together and I'll show you how I did it. But basically just start it up and keep going. Now it's easier. I try to hold it like by the wood stove. And then just keep going. You can see a little bit of... Oh, I came unhooked. But you can see there's a little bit of dust. I don't have that vac running either. But there's a little bit of dust that comes out, but it's not, at least in mine. I'm sure that some of the older stoves are probably a little worse, but mine really, there's not much that comes out of it. So, yeah, I'm going to finish cleaning this up. And then when I go to put this back together, I'll bring you guys back and we'll show you what's going on. If you want to see how it goes back together, like I said, this is US wood stove. Like I said, there weren't any real videos on how to take it apart. It's kind of... It's basically similar. There was some on like a Vogelzand. It's pretty much the same process. It's not a whole lot different. Actually, it's not different at all, really. The only thing was I found out is I had to take out all 3 burner tubes in order to get it to come out. I couldn't get the fireboard out. So anyway, yeah, keep living that best life, boys. We'll get back at this. We'll bring it back. I'll show you how to put it back together when I'm done.